me another one for it.
She did?
And she gave her another one. For Olivia.
Oh, I thought you meant for him.
Oh.
I was like, what do you know?
She used it in the stroller. And she was in the stroller every day in New York. So, but for Olivia, she used it